Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share and like. 2013-2011 Nissan Altima Maxima. This car here, I believe we have a problem with air flow meter sensor. But the air flow meter sensor, you gotta go based on factory recommendation. When you have a code P0101, the first thing you have to do is to go inside, change the air flow meter sensor, and also check if there is any technical service bulletin related to programming the engine computer, or update the software that inside the engine computer for the latest software to adjust the sensibility of that code keep flagging, because it's very sensitive. I am going to check the engine computer code, that P0101, and it sometimes could be a vacuum leak, it could be anything. Okay, now here you see there is no code, but I'm gonna go back. The customer already changed the air flow meter sensor, and I will go back to programming. From the programming, I will go here and then go to next, and then from the next 2011 2013, this is Nissan Altima sedan. Then I will go to the next, here the VIN number, and then we're gonna do the be sure you have a charger. You see here I have 13.1 because I have a smart charger on. After this also I'm gonna prepare the username and password to enable me to log into or to authenticate my subscription. That means you need to have you have to register in Nissan Tech Support or Tech Info, because the tool you're using it need to be authenticated, or at least your account have to be authenticated. Now here is 4x4, you're going to confirm, and then it will take you to what you need to program. And this is a crucial, you have to go through there. Because if you don't go here, you will not know. So if you come here and everything is correct, that means the problem could be something else. I gotta go to programming, and then here is the password, the software I have. Go say save, and then go next 2 times, and then go next, stop the signal accessories. Now here I would like to go down here and then get your username password ready, copy paste. So I went down there, I get my username password. Now I'm gonna go to next. You see we have an update. If you see here, the update is after the programming, current is ending with Y6 David, M6 David. So definitely we need to update it. We need to update the software. Click next. You see here everything good. If you put the headlight on, for example, battery load, and the computer sent, you see I put the headlight on. Right away it become negative, you cannot program, it will not go. So turn the headlight off, it changed to green. Also to the air condition, also the same thing. Now I'm going to wait for internet connection. Be sure you have internet ready. If you don't have no internet, it will not work, but I'm sure I have internet on. Now he said 10 minutes, but it will ask you for When you have this one here, try to go down, you see, and wait for the command. Communication with the control unit, please wait for a while. Okay, now he's checking the network. He hears the fan is kicking in. Now he wanna log in for you. Always stay next to the internet and have the system ready for you. Look here, it takes long, and that's not healthy for programming. But I'm gonna put the information right now. Okay. Okay, now I'm gonna start all over, and the problem is I copy the password and it was not okay. So I want to go online and be sure that my password is good, because if it's not good, Nissan Tech Info, you're gonna go here, put your reset. If not, you have to renew it. Stay with us. You see, I'm getting a problem here. It's an invalid user ID or password. Please retry again. So I'm going to try one more and be sure that I can log in. If it's not, you forget your password and renew it again. We have to start all over because the password with me was not correct, and that's not good at all. It's not healthy. Write down the password outside in case. Okay, I have to go there and get it correctly. So now I gotta go to programming. Let's see what's gonna happen. Okay, I will go check those numbers. Write down your password in a paper in case, because in this one here, I copy it but it doesn't work. So write it down and write the password and username correctly, please. Don't get the same mistake I made. This is the car. The car is still running. Programming is going through. Just on authentication, I get messed up. Now I am reading the computer again. Sometimes it will mess the computer for you. So be sure that the username password must be okay, and by clicking Control V you can write it. The username you can write it with your hand, but the password, be sure that is okay, and you have to renew it every couple of months. So go to engine, if there is any suggestion for you before, try to start all over. Now it may take you to the suggestion, say programming, and then say yes, save, then go to the next level, then click authentication. Now here is what they say. We did this before. Say next. Now you're gonna see engine is running, right? So I'm gonna stop the fan first, then now it's become 2, then I stop the engine from running. Ignition on, everything good. Now I go to the next. So now let's go and see what happened. Please stay with us. Now the time to put the authentication. Programming will start soon. You see now here he asked me different question. Is this Japan, US, where you are? I'm gonna say I am in aftermarket US, Canada. I say okay. Now I'm gonna put my username, password. And then here I will Control V. Okay. Then I will go on. Here everything look okay. So now I am in 10 minutes. This is the right way. My mistake is that you see charging is 13. You gotta hear the fan kick in. it's okay, but try to do it the right way. I'm getting mistake this time because of the password, and the problem is you cannot put the screen down. You hear now the fan work, and the charging will go down. It will pull the charging system down, but don't worry about it. It will be okay. I'm gonna close this one. I will keep going. It will stop in a few. Now we are transferring via transfer VI to ECU. First, transfer console to VI. That means from console here, it will transfer it to that module. That's why I try to have a good tools. I'm not gonna show you the screen for 10 minutes, but I will wait. Okay, it's done. So I'm gonna click next. Maybe you'll ask me to turn the ignition off. I will do that soon. Still continue to communicate with the ECU. Okay, turn the ignition off for 10 seconds. Ignition on. As usual, click next. You can do the throttle idle relearn, but I don't believe you need it. But see there, I have a check engine light also on. I'm gonna try to do the idle. Hopefully it's gonna work. Start. It's supposed to be complete here if everything is okay. We're gonna wait till it's complete. Yes, complete now. You see here, complete. Now go to next. We ask you to do another one. Turn the key off. 10 seconds. On. 2 seconds. Off. 10 seconds. On. 2 seconds. Off. 10 seconds. On. 2 seconds. Then off. Thank you. Now start the car. Next, turn it off. On. All the details will be cleaned and you're good to go. But here we learned that try to write down your username password somewhere here, so you don't need to get stuck. Please subscribe, share and like, and if you have any problem feel free to ask. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. That's it. That before and after. It's done. Confirm. Home. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share and like, and see you in another video. This is Muhammad Harun Idris.